Okay, I'm gonna apologize in advance if I sound like nasally or like my eyes are red or my face is red and stuff. I have been having super bad allergies. This usually happens in the summertime. So if you guys hear me like sniffling or I look kind of like out of it, that's probably the reason why. So I apologize in advance, but you guys don't come here for me anyway. You guys come here for the sneakers and the unboxings and the cool stuff that we do on this channel. So don't worry about that. It's all good. Anyway, today we have a cool video for you guys. I have a bunch of things that I want to unbox over here. Two of them are sneakers on the bottom, and then these two on the top are more like clothing and stuff that I'm actually pretty hyped about. I'm not gonna lie. I've been waiting for both of those for a while, so I'm very excited to open those up with you guys today. So anyway, before we get into the rest of the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Manscaped. And if you guys have never heard of Manscaped before, they are the premier brand for men's grooming and hygiene, guys. And they're literally the best in the world at what they're doing because their focus is on like men's grooming down there, where a lot of people like sleep on it, where they're like, oh, I didn't know that's a thing, or do I really need to do that? And the answer to both those questions is yes, you guys should. I mean, honestly, like men's grooming and stuff, it's a weird topic because it's not something that you really talk about with your homies and stuff. Like, oh, what kind of shaver are you using for down there? You know, like something that's just not brought up, which is why I really love Manscaped, because you're trying to change the culture of that, where it's okay to talk about these things and it's okay to like use these products because honestly, like it's a good thing, dude. You don't want like a jungle down there, which is why you guys want to cop your Lawnmower 4.0. This thing right here, lifesaver, guys. The best razor on the market to groom down there. And honestly, it's like their 4th iteration, so you guys know they're getting the stuff right, because not only does it have the skin safe technology, it's still water resistant, it's a wireless charger now, and the design of this is just absolutely sleek. Like, look at this thing. It doesn't get better than this. It's like so minimal. So I highly recommend you guys check out Manscaped. Go to www.manscaped.com/white and you will also get 20% off your order. So go ahead and cop that Lawnmower 4.0 for 20% off. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing now. I'm gonna open up this one first, and honestly, this right here is the answer to the question that I get the most frequently, which is very strange. This question is very random, because I would assume like people are asking questions about like, oh, what are the best places to buy sneakers, or like what app do you use to buy sneakers and stuff, something shoe related, right? Because we are a shoe channel. The most asked question on this channel is, Untied, where did you get this shirt from? Literally every single time I wear this shirt in the video, there's at least 1 to 5 people asking, where did you get this shirt from? And I always have the same answer for it, guys. It's Richie Lee Collection, and thankfully they just dropped their newest collection, so I can show you guys exactly where I get these shirts from. Now, I copped all of this from his newest collection. If you guys don't know who Richie Lee is, you guys should. He's a huge YouTuber, and he honestly has the best clothing on the market for like minimalist clothing. I don't call it YouTuber merch because it's not merch. Even though he is a YouTuber, this is like legit like name brand level stuff. And honestly, like look at this. This is the base set pack that he just dropped. So again, kind of similar, right? It's like light colors. That's like a cream kind of color. This one's somewhat similar to this one, I guess. It's a gray, but it's more like a, I guess it's kind of like an olive gray or something, a little bit darker. You guys can see that difference. And this is the last one. It's like a charcoal kind of black. And these are honestly like the colors that I like the most on clothing, where it's like subtle, it's super easy to wear. And honestly, like I said, look at this. This is the packaging it comes in. Ridiculous. This is not YouTuber merch, guys. This is literal clothing. But let's take a look at some of the other stuff we cut from there. Dude, honestly, every single drop that he does, I'm so excited for, because it's all high quality stuff. Like, I don't know how he produces this stuff, but it's insane. Like, look at this. Oh, shoot, this thing is sick. Dude, it's really light too, which I like. This is perfect for Hawaii. So you guys can check this out. Very dope jacket, dude. I like this perfect. This is a great fit too. Look at this. Boom, with his shirt underneath. We like that. We like that. And this is perfect color blocking for the Amameni Air 3, so that's why I bought it, dude. Matches perfectly with that. And the last thing that we copped from his store was this. Not much to say over here. It is what it is, but it's really light, and that's what I like about the clothing too, is it feels like loose fitting, which is really good. The collection does sell out pretty fast, so if you guys are in the market to like try to cop these shirts and stuff, please be sure to like follow the Instagram over there, Richie Lee Collection, because they can tell you guys in advance what's dropping, how much is dropping for and stuff, and you guys are able to cop it over there. So shout out to Richie for making the best clothes and best t-shirts. If anybody asks where I get this shirt from, help me out in the comments and tell them, please, because I have answered that like a billion times by now. I need your guys' help with that. Thank you. And I know it's gonna happen because I'm gonna wear these new shirts and people are still gonna ask. Okay, and so like I mentioned, I usually have like 2 different sets of clothing. I've changed my style up a lot, got rid of the Supreme stuff, got rid of a lot of the Bape stuff, and we're going more minimalistic. And so this company is one I've been talking about for a while, and it just keeps getting more and more popular. The company is called Hidden. Their stuff is super sick. It's all made in America too, which is really dope. These are the socks that I caught from them. Check that out. Nice cream color again. This one is like a green color, boom. And this is like a olive navy green kind of color as well. And I also bought this hat, which This thing is pretty sick, dude. This is sick. It's a 5950 hat with that same hidden logo. You guys can't see on the side as well. Hidden New York over there. It is a 5950 too, which is pretty darn dope. But yeah, this is the other company that I've been copying a lot of my stuff from. They're still kind of low-key, but I swear, like, every single drop, it's getting harder and harder to cop because more people are finding out about them. So again, this is another one you want to probably follow on Instagram. I will link them in the description so you guys can do it as an easy follow. Not sponsored by them or anything, but yeah, it's very, very high quality stuff. That's why I keep copying from there. Okay, and so now we can get into the shoes. I will mention before I open these up, these shoes are like shoes that are going to be going towards the starting from scratch series, but I don't want to make this a starting from scratch episode. I realize when I'm making these series and stuff that I want to focus those episodes literally on like the concept of buying and selling, so you guys are able to build your own sneaker collection. So for these haul videos, I don't really want to focus on that too much. I will do like an update video very soon on the starting from scratch, telling you guys exactly how the experience has been going. These are shoes that are already added to that list, that Excel sheet on Google Drive, so if you guys want to check it out, it's up there. But I am happy with these shoes that we caught because we've been getting lucky. Ever since we sold the collection, guys, I've been getting some good dubs. Maybe it's good karma, whatever you want to call it, but I was super stoked to like hit a W on these because this is a shoe that a lot of people don't think that I like, but I really love them. This is the Yeezy 500, and these are a pair of the Yeezy 500 in the sand top colorway. It's really interesting because these remind me of like those cream colorways that I've had, and was honestly my most worn shoe for a very long time. It was my working shoe. I sold those a while back and always regretted it. This one, it's even more functional than those creams. I really like this colorway a lot. And this is what it looks like up close. It's pretty much a standard Yeezy 500. They really just changed the colorway similar to the 350s, but this one, I don't know. I feel like this is the most functional colorway they probably have for this model. It is a mix of nubuck, like leather, suede, a whole bunch of different things on here for the upper, which is kind of cool. And like I mentioned, these bottoms, super comfortable. It is made with Adaprene technology, so that's why this one is so comfortable. No boost in here, unfortunately, but still, whatever's in here makes it very soft on feet, which I like. Even though I'm probably gonna end up keeping these as a personal, this is a resellable shoe as well, so this is a very good one to target when you guys are unconfirmed for personal or for resale value as well. Okay, and the last shoe that we got, obviously it's got to go to Nike. Just do it on the box. Rare Nike draw win. This box, super unique. Look at this. Nike with that purple metallic look over the top on a white box. Really like this. Whenever they make unique Jordan 1 boxes, I always get hyped. And this isn't bad, dude. This is not bad at all in person. I like this a lot. I don't know if I can pull this off, but still, very cool win over here. And if you guys are unaware, this is the Jordan 1 Court Purples in the women's sizing. It was a women's exclusive shoe, but the sizing did go up pretty high, so you could get some men's sizing in there. This is a 12W, so it comes out to 10.5 men, my size. And I gotta say, this is not too bad. The leather quality is not beautiful on this. The leather quality is underrated, I feel like, on these. Like the tongue over here, all leather, which is pretty dope. I like that a lot. The metallic purple is subtle as well over here, so I like that. I thought it was more like popping and more sparkly, which I did not want. This one, it looks a little bit more subtle and like toned down, making it a lot more wearable. However, I don't think this is one that I would want to keep in the collection just because, I don't know, I just don't really feel like I match too well with purple. Like, it doesn't work for me. We're talking about like neutral colors and you guys saw like what kind of shirts and stuff I'd buy. Can you imagine those shirts with this? I mean, it doesn't really work in my opinion. But no matter what, good sneakers W. So that is it for this video. All love to the Untitled Honda behind the camera. Thank you guys so much for coming through and watching this, hitting that like button, commenting. I love all of you guys over there. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!